Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make chicken liver stew. Alright, this chicken liver was so delicious, so I decided to share my recipe with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious chicken liver stew, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. And give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this chicken liver stew video. Okay? And you guys can check out my playlist as well. I have all different types of video on my playlist. You guys can check it out and watch my videos, because every minute counts. Alright? The more minutes you guys watch my video, the more my channel will grow. So I would really appreciate if you guys watch the video. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys my ingredients for my chicken liver stew, and my next video is gonna be my carrot cake, so look out for that. Alright, so here's my ingredients. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making some chicken liver stew. Alright, so the first ingredient we have is some thyme powder, parsley flakes, cilantro, chili powder. We have our mustard hot sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, grated garlic, some cut up shallots, some cut up onions, grated carrots, grated ginger. We have a small tin of tomato paste here, and this is our chicken liver here. Alright, so we're gonna go and season up our chicken liver now. Okay, to season up our chicken liver, now we're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning. You're gonna put a little bit of the garlic, grated ginger. You're gonna put your mustard hot sauce. Check in the description box down below for all my measurements and ingredients. Okay, you're gonna put a little bit of the thyme powder and some chili powder. And you're gonna mix it up together, and you can leave this to marinate for about a half an hour or so. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, in the pot here you're gonna put some oil inside of it, and then you're going to put your chicken in the fire. Alright, we're gonna let it just fry up about 5 minutes or so. So we'll be back. Okay, so my chicken liver has been frying up for about 5 minutes. So you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in all the other ingredients. So you're gonna put in your tin of tomato paste. Put the whole tin. This is a small tin. You're gonna put your carrots, your grated carrots, onion, ginger, garlic, and some shallots. I'm gonna mix it up together. And you're gonna put a little bit more water in it. Gonna put a little bit more, like half cup of water, and you're gonna let this cook. All right, my liver stew, I'm gonna be eating it with some rice and cream potato. I just made a cream potato video as well, or some people call it mashed potato, so look out for that video as well. All right, so I'm just gonna taste it now, see if we need anything else more. I'm gonna put in 1 cube in it. This is the cube here. I'm just gonna put 1 cube inside and stir it up. And you're gonna let this boil for another 50 minutes or so. So we'll be back. Okay, my liver has been frying for about 50 minutes. So as you can see here, it's all done. So let me just taste it. I have to put in my parsley. It's really good. So I'm just gonna put in a little bit of the parsley flakes and a little bit of the cilantro, and you're gonna mix it up. And it's all done. This liver stew here, this chicken liver stew, I'm gonna be eating it with I did some cream potato and some white rice. All right, so I'm gonna turn off my stove and show you guys the end result. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my Guyanese chicken liver. I'm gonna eat my chicken liver with some rice and cream potato. So you guys should look out for my cream potato video as well, right? I'm doing both videos today, my liver stew and my cream potato. All right, so this is the end results for my delicious lunch I'm going to be eating today. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye.